Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to give permissions in a Bitbucket repository so you can manage who can view, edit, or administer your code in 2026. Let's get into it. First, select your repository. The first step is identifying which project you need to share with your team members. From your Bitbucket overview or dashboard, click on the specific repository you want to manage. Ensure you are on the main source page of that repo. In 2026, Bitbucket's interface is designed for high-speed navigation. Selecting the repository first ensures that any settings you change apply only to that specific code base, preventing accidental global permission changes across your entire workspace. Next, access repository permissions. Once inside your repository, you need to find the administrative tools located in the sidebar. Click on Repository Settings in the left sidebar. Under the General tab, look for and click on Repository Permissions. This is the secure gatekeeper section of Bitbucket. By navigating through the General tab to Repository Permissions, you access the master list of users and groups who currently have access to your code, allowing you to audit or add new members. Lastly, adjust permissions for specific names. The final step is adding the user and defining exactly what they are allowed to do. In the User Permissions search box, type in the specific name or email of the person you want to add. Once their name appears, use the drop-down menu to select Read, Write, or Admin, then click Add. In 2026, security is paramount. Assigning a role to a specific name ensures accountability. Read, they can only pull code. Write, they can push and merge. Admin, they have full control over the repo settings. And that's pretty much it. To give permissions in 2026, select your repository, go to Repository Settings, and click Repository Permissions under the General tab. From there, search for specific names and assign them a read, write, or admin role to instantly update their access. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.